Let's walk. Let's walk. Let's walk. Let's walk the path. Let's walk the path. Thank you, universe, for raising my vibration, for my passion, my drive, and my determination. And thank you for another day of life. Because I'm alive. You are alive. I'm full of life. You're full of life. I'm ready to enjoy and celebrate life with my worldwide community online. The greatest gift you can receive is another day of life. Your life is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. I love life and life loves me. I expect the best, so the best happens. Hope for the best, and the best will manifest. Trust. Whatever is unfolding in your life right now, trust whatever is unfolding in your life right now as natural to the cycles of transformations and change. And know, you gotta know that is all for a higher purpose. You gotta believe, because faith is all it takes, okay? Faith is all it takes. Faith got you here, faith is gonna take you there, okay? Faith got you here, faith is gonna take you there, okay? But you gotta believe. Believe and you will see, okay? When you believe in the impossible, you make the invisible visible. That's the power of your imagination, okay? Because your imagination is the ability to see the unseen. Starseeds. Can you feel it? Huh? Let me tell you what's going on. There is a massive shift. There is a massive energetic shift taking place right now. Massive energetic shift. The Kundalini energy of the planet is rising, which is the life force. You are undergoing a DNA upgrade, okay? The light of the sun is upgrading your body at a cellular level, at a molecular level, because everything comes from within, okay? Everything comes from within. Tomorrow we're gonna have a full moon in Virgo, in the sign of Virgo, which is this full moon is all about healing, okay? All about healing. So make sure you spend time outside, okay? Spend time outside without your phone, okay? Take care of yourself, okay? Take care of your energy field, okay? Because you cannot control what happens outside of yourself, right? You can only control your energy field. But everywhere you go, you bring your energy field with you. You know what I'm saying? So if you feel good over here, right? If you feel good over here, and I go over there, doesn't matter what's going on over there, because I got my energy field with me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta bring the happiness with you. You gotta bring it with you. Come on. Bring it with you everywhere you go. Okay, you gotta bring it, okay? Bring it. Because when you're the life of the party, you don't need the crowd. The crowd needs you. So keep shining, keep speaking the truth, keep spreading awareness, keep shining your light, because it's another day and we're still here. It's another day and we're still here. We are only afraid of the unknown when we don't know who we are, okay? But there is nothing to be afraid of, okay? There is nothing to be afraid of, but you gotta surrender, okay? Surrender to the pool of singularity. Surrender, because the only constant in life is change. Everything is always changing, okay? The cells in your body are constantly changing. You're not the same being that you were yesterday. So adaptability is a great skill to have, okay? Because the sooner you adapt to any situation, the easier you go through life, okay? Because, you know, smooth, okay? So just go with the flow, go with the flow. That's what I was trying to say. Go with the flow, because just go with the flow. Buckle up, but go with the flow. Buckle up, okay? Buckle up, because we're taking off. Your heart is golden, your mind is brilliant, and your soul is pure. Take care of yourself. Love ya.